Okay, thanks everyone for your time this morning. Here is our standard disclaimer. Antipa holds a dominant 5,500 square kilometre land position in Western Australia's world-class Paterson province. We have a 100% owned shallow high-grade gold, copper and cobalt resource, several additional shallow high-grade gold deposits and multiple high-quality exploration targets, all of which form the basis of our objective to build up a near-term production opportunity and make discoveries in what is an emerging exploration district. The Paterson province is 300 kilometres east of Port Hedland in Western Australia. It delivers world-class deposits including the 32 million ounce gold, 1 million tonne copper Telfer deposit and the 2 million tonne copper Nifty deposit. However, the province remains largely underexplored due to the presence of younger cover concealment. As I mentioned, Antipa has 5,500 square kilometres in the region, and we're focused on exploring our southern 100% owned ground shown here in the yellow, which is close to Newcrest's Telfer mine. Also, our joint venture partner Rio Tinto continues to fund exploration on our northern project shown here in the orange as part of a fully Rio-funded $60 million farm-in. The Paterson province has become hotly sought after exploration, a rumoured exploration discovery by Rio Tinto of a large copper system late last year on its 100% ground. Rio now has 11,000 square kilometres in the province and has commenced an evaluation program involving multiple drill rigs. Antipa already boasts 2.4 million ounces of gold in resource, along with 154,000 tonnes of copper, over 1 million ounces of silver and 4,000 tonnes of cobalt in the Paterson province. And our commanding ground position is now surrounded by major miners Rio Tinto, Newcrest and FMG. Antipa completed a $7.5 million capital raising in June, which is funding our aggressive 12-month exploration program. The raising was supported by several leading institutional investors, which represented a strong endorsement of the company's strategy and prospects. Our corporate snapshot shows Antipa as having 1.8 billion shares on issue. We are an Australian explorer, which explains that. We have $8 million in cash, with an enterprise value of only $19 million, and a supportive major shareholder base which includes the board of directors with 7% and institutions with 12%, including Sprott with 5%. Several of Antipa's deposits are analogous to Telfer, which is indisputably a world-class high-grade gold deposit, producing 14 million ounces since its discovery in 1972. Antipa's 12-month objective is to carry out drilling and geophysical programs across existing 100% owned gold, copper, cobalt deposits and surrounding targets, all in close proximity to each other, to build up a production opportunity close to Newcrest's Telfer mine infrastructure. I'll take you through the exploration opportunities surrounding our Minyari Dome resources, which include several satellite gold deposits as well as exciting greenfields blue sky, which combined provide us with the potential to deliver these growth objectives. This magnetic image highlights Antipa's impressive ground holding in the province, including the El Paso corridor, which hosts Rio's rumoured significant copper discovery, our Minyari and Waka deposits and many prospects and targets. This El Paso corridor extends for 150 kilometres across Antipa ground and is bound by a major structure and hosts multiple felsic intrusions which are related to mineralisation. The El Paso corridor is akin to a porphyry copper gold belt, and this year Antipa has been exploring this region using state-of-the-art helicopter-borne electromagnetic technology. Our recently completed electromagnetic survey covered more than 1,000 square kilometres and has generated 11 high-priority targets which could potentially deliver a game-changing discovery. The Minyari Dome is located 40 kilometres north of Telfer and hosts our 11 million tonne resource, grading 2 grams per tonne gold for 723,000 ounces, plus 26,000 tonnes of copper and 4,000 tonnes of cobalt. This resource comes from the Minyari and Waka deposits, which are open pittable with underground potential. Recent exploration drill testing of Minyari Dome targets has generated thick, high-grade gold and copper intersections, including 18 metres at 3.1 grams per tonne gold and 10 metres at 2.1% copper, highlighting the potential to significantly increase this resource and in doing so contribute to a production opportunity. Here we have a Minyari deposit cross-section and long section, and shows intersections ranging from 10 to 70 metres at 2 to 8 grams per tonne gold, plus copper and cobalt, with this open pittable mineralisation starting beneath just a few metres of desert sand cover and extending down to 550 metres below surface where it's open. Metallurgical testing of the Minyari Dome ore has confirmed high gold recoveries and the potential to produce copper, gold and cobalt concentrates, supporting that development opportunity scenario. Our chicken ranch and turkey farm deposits are only 25 kilometres south of Minyari and just 15 kilometres northeast of Telfer. Shallow drilling here has identified multiple high-grade gold trends along a 3 kilometre long zone, with gold mineralisation grading up to 55 grams per tonne. Antipa is currently evaluating the 1.3 kilometre long maiden resource opportunity at Chicken Ranch as support for a camp-style development opportunity. Recent drill intersections include 12 metres at 7.2 grams per tonne gold, including 6 metres at almost half an ounce. Our Timms Dome deposit is only 34 kilometres from the Minyari area and 12 kilometres northwest of Telfer. Shallow drilling here has identified a 7 kilometre long corridor hosting significant gold mineralisation grading up to 32 grams per tonne gold. Down the road just at Telfer, Newcrest are processing material at 0.6 gram per tonne gold. This long section shows that both the Telfer Dome structure and rock units which host Telfer's 32 million ounces of gold plus 1 million tonnes of copper re-emerge at Timms Dome, where that 7 kilometre gold trend provides very strong indication of the potential for Telfer-style high-grade mineralisation. Timms Dome boasts 16 strike kilometres of this highly prospective mine stratigraphy, and our ongoing exploration is striving to deliver both a maiden resource and a major discovery at Timms Dome. Our 1,300 square kilometre Citadel project is subject of a joint venture with Rio Tinto, who can earn 75% interest by spending $60 million. The project already hosts resources of 1.6 million ounces of gold, 128,000 tonnes of copper and 1.2 million ounces of silver. Rio recently completed drill testing of several copper-gold targets within the El Paso corridor, with assay results pending. In summary, Antipa has an impressive ground holding in an underexplored Tier 1 province which has become hotly sought after by major miners. We have significant potential to materially increase our resource base and deliver exciting game-changing discoveries, and in doing so commence the company's evolution from explorer to developer. Thanks everyone for your time. You can find us in booth 19 if you'd like to ask any questions. Thank you.